Welcome to Cashbag Online, where money speaks. Building a successful startup is both an exhilarating and daunting journey, marked by moments of triumph and challenge. The first step in this expedition is to identify a problem worth solving. Great startups emerge from a genuine understanding of customer pain points and desires. Initiating thorough market research allows budding entrepreneurs to grasp the landscape and tailor solutions efficiently. A well-defined unique selling proposition, USP, sets the foundation, transforming a vague idea into a compelling business vision that resonates with potential clients. Once the business idea is solidified, assembling a talented team becomes crucial. Surrounding oneself with individuals who share the same values and passion provides both support and diverse perspectives. The synergy within a team can spark creativity, fostering an environment where innovative solutions flourish. Effective communication and mutual respect among team members create a culture poised for success, countering the inevitable pressures that accompany startup life. Following team formation, crafting a robust business plan is essential. This document acts as a roadmap outlining goals, strategies, and financial forecasts. Investors and stakeholders often require this structure to understand the potential for growth and sustainability. A well-thought-out plan balances ambition with realism, showcasing adaptability to evolving market conditions. In parallel, securing initial funding is a vital step that often involves approaching investors or utilizing personal savings. This capital infusion enables the startup to operationalize its vision, ensuring the necessary resources are in place to hit the ground running. With funding secured, the next phase revolves around product development and market entry. Creating a minimal viable product, MVP, allows the startup to gauge initial reactions without overcommitting resources. Feedback is invaluable. Iterating based on customer input ensures the final product meets market demands. Additionally, establishing a strong online presence through social media and digital marketing channels amplifies visibility, attracting potential customers and ongoing engagement. The art of storytelling plays a key role here, making the brand relatable and engaging. As customers start to flow in, prioritizing exceptional customer service enhances brand loyalty. Word of mouth can make or break a startup, and satisfied customers become invaluable promoters. Monitoring metrics and adapting strategies based on data insights ensures sustained growth, allowing the startup to pivot when necessary. Ultimately, embracing resilience and lifelong learning paves the pathway to success, where even setbacks become opportunities for growth. This journey requires determination, vision, and the willingness to embrace change as the business landscape evolves.